Well, everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, talking to you from the Off-Grid Homestead. There's something that some people talk about online. Anyway, just want to wish you all happy holidays and safe travels on your way to your families and back. Just to let you know that we're not going away this year. Those of you who are, have a great time with your families and keep it safe. I worked a little bit out here in the greenhouse, but I didn't do video on it today. But just picking at stuff here and there. It was a beautiful day. Really, really nice. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna have a quiet little time. We work. The Sari shop is open on the 24th. So there's proof that we're going to be here anyway. We'll be here on the 24th and we'll be open for business. So anybody who stops in the area, they can come on over, say hi, and see us over there. And on the 25th, we're just going to have a private little family thing, just us here. Just enjoy the day off, is all we're going to do. Just enjoy a little day off. And then the 26th, we're back to the work as usual. Back to a normal schedule at the Sari shop, Gaylord, Michigan. Those of you who don't know what that means, or what that is, that means variety store in the Philippines. And we have it started out being a Filipino grocery store, and we're expanding to all Asian products with time. And gifts. So we got Asian groceries and gifts. And that's where we're going to be. That changes things a lot too when you have your own business. Changes everything. Travel is not really an option if you want to have success. So anyway, that's it, guys. Enjoy your holidays and enjoy your family time. And talk to you all later. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project.